How to turn on or turn off camera HDR10 Plus on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll down. And then in here, tap on camera assistant. After that, we scroll down and then tap on HDR10 Plus. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now this will optimize the color and contrast of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. After that, tap on the back key to return back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.